Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to go from your old iPhone to the new iPhone and what are the proper requirement steps to get all your information like photos, videos, text message, applications, files, and much more transferred to the new phone. Let's get started. Now, first thing you wanted to do on your home screen is click settings. On top, you're going to find your name. Click that. And then you're going to see iCloud. Click that. And then when you're going to scroll down, right over here, it says iCloud backup. Now, make sure your iCloud backup is enabled and make sure that you click backup now. When your phone finishes backing up, it's going to tell you last successful attempt. Now, when you have this enabled, you could go back and you could choose everything you want to transfer, like your photos, like your mail, contacts, calendars, messages, and so forth. When you do that, everything is going to be on the cloud. So then when you turn on your phone, it's going to ask you, do you want to transfer from your backup? And you're going to say yes. So that's it, guys. That's how you save all your information on your old phone to bring it to the new phone. Hopefully you like this little quick tutorial. Give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, and subscribe because I will be making more tutorials on top of the tutorials I already have to help you guys ease your way to the new phone. So like I said, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.